Example 2 is going to be super short. All we're asked to do is approximate the square root of 20. So if you think about it, I'm going to just show you guys, say you didn't, that you were trying to do this by hand. I'm going to show you why it's not going to be the easiest. 20, let's break 20 up. What times what gives you 20? We have 4 times 5. Perfect, that's 20. Okay, if we want, we can split this up into the square root of 4 and the square root of 5. The square root of 4 is 2 times 2, so we can write 2, and then we get the square root of 5, okay? This is the exact answer. Okay, they do not want the exact answer, they want the approximate answer, okay? Which means we're going to be dealing with decimals. So whenever you see approximate, you are free to use your calculator. That's probably the best way to go, because we don't know what the square root of 5 is off the top of our head, okay? All we know is where it's in between. So with your calculator, you would do 20 and then hit the square root button, or depending on what type of calculator you have, you do the square root and then hit 20. And this is the number that it tells me. It says 4.4721359555. Okay? So we were asked to round to the nearest 3 decimals. So we go, here's a decimal. So we go over 3 places after that. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to cut everything else off. Okay? Now, before we cut it off, we have to look at that first number in the box. And if it's 5 or greater, then we take this number and move it up. And if it's not, then we leave it the same. So it's a 1, so that means we leave it the same. And then it just becomes 4.472 for our answer. But if, let's say that this 1 was a 5, then we would change that to a 35.